Hey there, welcome to the first video in this AWS App Development series. Today we'll keep it simple and walk through how to set up your AWS account. Trust me, it's way easier than it sounds. Let's jump right in. First things first, open up your browser and type in aws.amazon.com. Alright, you're on the AWS homepage. You'll see a big button in the top right that says Create an AWS account. Go ahead and click that. Okay, now we're on the sign up page. Here, you'll need to enter your root user email address. Basically the main email you'll use for AWS. You also need to choose an account name. No pressure, just pick something that makes sense to you. Once that's in, click Verify Email Address. AWS will send you a verification code. Okay, so I didn't get my email right away. I'm just going to click Resend Code, and the email should pop up shortly. Got the code, typing it in. And let's click Verify. Next, AWS asks you to create a password for your root user account. Make sure it's strong. Don't use something like password123 because AWS will catch that and ask you to try again. Like it did to me. Alright, now I've got a solid password. Just confirm it and hit continue. Now we're going to fill in the contact details. AWS will ask if this is a business or personal account. Choose personal unless you're setting it up for a company. Continue to enter the rest of your contact details, and you also need to agree to the AWS customer agreement. Click Continue. Next, you're going to need to enter your credit card details. AWS will bill you for your usage, but we'll set up a budget shortly to manage the costs. Enter your phone number and address, and then click Verify and Continue. You'll be asked to enter your mobile number. Make sure it's correct because they'll send a text to you. Click Send SMS. If you're prompted for security verification, enter the code and submit. Next, enter the code from the text you received and click Continue. The last prompt is to select the support plan. The developer support plan offers some help from AWS, but we'll just go with basic for now. Click Complete Sign Up. And we're done. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe.